Welcome to this video presentation here at West Horsley Motors, and here we have the Jaguar XKR on a 57 plate. As you can see, it's a convertible. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll run through some of the controls on the inside from there. It's a two-door car with alloy wheels. I'll start off by showing you inside the boot and then back around to the front of the car. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see we have the four tailpipes there. A decent amount of boot space given the nature of the vehicle as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in fantastic condition and a great looking car the whole way around. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the speedometer. We have the rev counter on the right-hand side. In the centre, you can see the fuel gauge. You can also see what gear this vehicle is in. It's an automatic, so of course we are in park at the moment. You can back out to the steering wheel. On here, we have our stereo controls, we have our phone controls, our cruise control. Behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus paddles so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And at the end of this stalk, you can change the trip computer information that's displayed in the central section just there. So various bits of information, including the total miles for the car, which are 80,348. Into the centre next, we have the main screen for the car. So it's all touchscreen. You have some physical controls just below, but essentially it's touchscreen. We have AM, FM radio, CD player, as you can see. We can go back a page from there to the main menu where you can adjust your climate control settings. We have a menu there for our phone and satellite navigation as well. So just hit agree and you'll see you get a nice clear colour display. A very easy system to use. The main volume for the stereo is there. Our CD player, physical controls for the climate control as well as the controls on the screen. You can start and stop the engine from here. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox as well. And of course, the next thing I'll show you working is the roof. So there's a button up here. Give that a push. All four windows will go down firstly. And then the next thing that will happen is the tailgate will open at the rear of the car. And the roof will fold down into the top section of that tailgate. And then once it's complete, that will fold down for you. And it's as easy as that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at West Horsley Motors. We'd love to hear from you soon.